But I've had some of you ask me questions about, actually while we have the valve closed, what it sounds like with just the intake in the car. And here you go. That's just the intake. For those of you who are wondering, there you go. Here it is with the valve open though. Yeah. So that sounds good, don't you think? I think it does. All right, so this is what it sounds like with the factories in the rear and the two up fronts replaced. Ready? I'm gonna put it on 20 again. Sounds pretty good, right? Sounds pretty good. Ow, that hurt. That was smart. Be careful when you have hot stuff, folks. Oh my God. But I will have this video up for you. I'll tell you what, I hope this video goes much better than that one did. Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, welcome back to the channel for another video. Today we're gonna finish up installing the speakers in the 22 Sport. But before we get to that, if you have not watched last week's video, make sure to click right here, watch that video, and then come back and finish this one because that one was a mess, to be honest. That one took me 9 days to do. 4 attempts, this is the 4th attempt right now. 4th. Now, those 5 1/4s would have fit, I'm not gonna lie. They would fit back there, but if I can fit 6 1/2s, that's what I'm gonna do. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video. I got a giveaway going on. I know you guys really like them. I really like doing them. I really love giving back to all of you. So make sure to stick around for that. I'll have more details at the end and what I'm giving away. Well, I guess the thumbnail probably just gives, yeah, the thumbnail will probably just give it away. So you already know what I'm giving away. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna do a time lapse because you guys already saw it in the last video. So let's just get started. Left rear door, blue is positive, white is negative. I'm gonna try not to burn myself this time. Much better than the first time. Much better than the first time. Right rear door. Yellow is positive, brown is negative. My soldering game is on point now. All right, let's hear what it sounds like. This is not the song. $20. Sounds good. Sounds really good. Much better than factory. Let's go up a little bit now. That's 24. Let's see what it sounds like outside the car. Sounds good, I like it. I like it a lot. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. It's actually not too bad. Once you install the first one, the rest of them go by pretty quick. I'm a soldering god now. Not really, just kidding. But I can install them really easy now. It's pretty cool. Door panels are really easy to take off. Now it's just 4 screws and a plug and play if I end up wanting to change them. But let's get to the giveaway. Okay, so like you know, in the last video, I have a set of 5 1/4. Well, I'm gonna give these away. So you gotta be a subscriber. You gotta like this video. Just say, let me get the small boys. I'm not only giving away those 5 1/4 in this video, I'm also gonna give away a set of JBL 6x9s in the GX series. So if you're looking for a set of these, you gotta be a subscriber. You gotta leave a like on this video and leave a comment in the comment section saying, I want those big boys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. And as always, this was your boy Miller. I will see you in the next one. Actually, I'm gonna be giving away 2 things. So make sure to stick around at the end to see what I'm gonna be giving away and to see how to enter, okay? So let's just get started. Okay, this is ending up to be just like the last one. And Chris, I know you're watching this. You have ruined 12 clips. 12. You don't even know it, but you have. You have ruined 12, brother. 12. I don't know if I'm hearing the beeping. I don't know if he's actually backing up, but I swear I hear beeping because that's all I've been hearing. Either way, okay. I know you guys really like them. I like doing them for you. It makes me feel good to give back. Brother, I'm really half tempted to call you. Can you guys hear this? This is 13 clips now, Chris. 13.